In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix lag here in Brawl Stars. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you've been dealing with annoying lag here in Brawl Stars, here are a quick few tips to make your gameplay extremely smooth again. The first thing that I would recommend, and this is speaking from personal experience, and it's actually just using mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. For some reason, Brawl Stars usually runs better on mobile data. The lag is noticeably reduced, and in many cases it's gone completely. Now obviously this does depend on which service provider you have, and if you don't have a service provider, just use Wi-Fi. The next thing I would recommend doing is actually just going through your phone, and this is different on every single device, and just deleting unnecessary files. This is going to include cache data, apps you don't use, stuff like that. If your storage is close to full, your whole phone can slow down, which includes your games and includes Brawl Stars. Even freeing up something like 1 to 2 gigabytes can make a huge difference. Now finally, the last thing I would say, just to make your game run a little bit quicker, is trying a VPN. Sometimes lag is caused by server connection issues, and using a VPN like EU VPN or NVPN and switching to a different server location can help improve your ping and reduce delays. But yeah, I hope these tips do help you enjoy a much smoother Brawl Stars experience. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more gaming tips and tricks. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.